What is the phase sequence of a balanced three-phase circuit? That is balanced three-phase circuit for which AN is equal to like this one and VCN like this one. Our mode determine VBN. So first of all, we have determined sequence. After that, we have determined VBN. Okay. Now, how to start? AN like this one. First of all, make AN. If this one is a reference, it means reference means we start here going to positive angle, and either if direction going on clockwise direction, that is -5. Okay, means that is represent like V of AN. This is equal to 160 plus 30 degree. It means this angle if going on this direction, that is this angle is plus 30. Clear? Okay, what about VCN? VCN is -90, means like this one, -90, that is VCN, and that is 160 at the angle -90 degree. Clear? Okay, angle between both, that is -120. Okay, VCN lags V of AN by how much angle? -120 degree. That is 120 degree. Clear? This sequence, I know that there are two types of sequence. That is if ABC, that is ABC sequence, or ACB plus 120 minus 120, and this one is corresponding to this one, that is -240. Clear? Same thing here, -120 plus 120, that is -240 corresponding to this one. Okay, this type of sequence, that is ABC, and this type of sequence, that is ACB, going on clockwise direction, going on clockwise direction. Now here, that is ACB. First of all, this is the balanced three-phase circuit. It means angle between phase A and phase B, that is 120, and BN, angle between this one, that is 120, this one is total 150. So VBN is written as, that is 160 at the angle 30 plus 120 plus 30 plus 120, you can say that 160 plus 160 at the angle 150 volt. Clear? And what about phase sequence? Phase sequence is, that is ACB. Okay, that is ACB. Clear? And what about BBN? This one is 160 at the angle plus 150. Clear? If you want with the help of without phasor, if you solve with the help of, if you want to be solved with the help of without phasor, how can you solve it? I know that AN is written as 160 at the angle plus 30, and VCN is written as 160 minus 90 degree. So you know that CN is lag by how much angle? If any doubt, 30 minus 90, that is 120. It means CN lag by how much angle? 120. It means this type of sequence is ACB. I know that ACB. Okay, that is ACB. So what about VBN? I know that if AN corresponding to here, if AN is like this one, if AN represent like this one, then VBN is written as AN at the angle plus 120. If AN represent like this one, then BN represent like this one. BN is equal to AN at the angle plus 120. Okay. Now, what about AN here? Like AN is 160 at the angle plus 30. So 1 at the angle plus 120, it is written as 160 at the angle 150 degree. Clear? Make it. Better to understand with the help of phasor. If okay, and if you want to without phasor, solve corresponding to this one. Okay, make it.